Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make iPhone vibrate when ringing. And here are the steps to make your iPhone 15 Pro vibrate when ringing. First is to unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Look for the section labeled Ringtone. Make sure ringtone itself is set to a sound you preferred. Go back to the Sounds and Haptics main page, find the Haptics section, tap Haptics, choose to always play or play in silent mode. These enable vibration. Go back once, toggle on System Haptics. Optional. Also turn on play in silent mode if you want vibration even in silent mode. You can test by calling your iPhone to confirm it vibrates when ringing. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.